Hey there, food lovers and fellow SEO enthusiasts. Are you running a recipe website but not seeing the traffic you deserve? Well, stick around because in this video, I'll share exactly how to optimize your recipe website using a solid SEO strategy. From on-page SEO to tech SEO, images, content, and avoiding common mistakes, I've got you covered. Let's dive in. First up, on-page SEO. This is where you optimize individual pages to rank higher in search engines. Titles and meta descriptions. Ensure your recipes have unique, descriptive titles. For example, instead of pasta recipe, go with something like quick and creamy garlic. Pasta recipe, 20-minute dinner idea. Don't forget your meta descriptions. These short summaries help increase click-through rates. Keywords. Use relevant keywords like easy pasta recipe, vegetarian dinner ideas, or low-calorie snacks. But don't overdo it. Keep it natural. Internal linking link to related recipes. For instance, if you have a pasta sauce recipe, link it to your pasta dishes. This improves navigation and keeps users engaged. Next, technical SEO, the backbone of your website. Even if your content is great, poor technical SEO can drag down your rankings. Mobile-friendly design. Most people search for recipes on their phones while cooking. Make sure your site is responsive and loads fast on all devices. Page speed. Compress images, use lazy loading, and optimize code to make sure your page loads in under 3 seconds. Structured data, schema markup. Use recipe schema to help Google understand your content better. This can also increase your chances of landing rich snippets in search results, showing star ratings, cooking times, and reviews right on Google. SSL certificate. Ensure your site is secure. HTTPS. Google considers site security a ranking factor, and users trust it more. Optimizing images for recipe websites presenter. Now let's talk images. Your mouth-watering photos are key to engaging users, but they can also slow down your site if not optimized. File size, compress images before uploading them. Tools like TinyPNG or ImageOptim can help. Alt text. Use descriptive alt text for every image. For example, instead of just cake, use something like moist chocolate cake with raspberry filling. Lazy loading. This technique ensures that images only load when users scroll to them, improving load time and user experience. Creating quality content, it's more than just recipes. Presenter. Next is content. Yes, the recipe itself is important, but to stand out, you need more than just ingredients and steps. Longer introductions. Add a personal story, cooking tips, or fun facts related to the dish. This makes your content engaging and keeps users on your page longer, improving dwell time. Content updates. Regularly update old recipes. Add new photos, improve the instructions, or even offer substitution ideas based on feedback. Answer questions. Consider including an FAQ section at the bottom of each recipe. Answer common questions like, "Can I freeze this dish?" Or, "What can I use as a substitute for buttermilk?" This keeps users on your page longer. Common mistakes to avoid presenter. Finally, here are some common mistakes to avoid when optimizing your recipe website. Duplicate content. Posting similar recipes with only minor differences can hurt your SEO. Focus on creating unique, high-quality recipes instead. Ignoring analytics. Always track how your site is performing. Use tools like Google Analytics or Search Console to monitor page views, bounce rates, and keyword rankings, not optimizing for voice search. People often ask voice assistants for recipes, so try to use natural language in your posts. Think about questions like, "What's the best quick dinner recipe?" Too many ads. Avoid cluttering your page with ads. While they are a great revenue source, too many can slow down your site and annoy users, increasing your bounce rate. Presenter. And there you have it. With these SEO tips and tricks, your recipe website should be cooking up success in no time. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more SEO tips tailored for niche websites like yours. Drop your questions in the comments and I'll be sure to answer them. Thanks for watching.